In the news tonight, Momo warning. Education Ministry issues advisory about the dangers of the Momo challenge. They'll be targeted. Traffic police promise no ease up on those operating vehicles without motor insurance. We're not broke. PNP dismisses talks it can't fund Portland Eastern campaign even as its candidate launches GoFundMe account. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Thank you very much, Janella. Well, this evening, the spotlight is on a major player in the telecommunications sector, debt blues for Digicel, and they are looking to cut debt ratio. More on that in the business day.
Okay, from Andrea, we go to Jermaine at the sports desk. Jermaine, what's happening?
Thank you, Herman. Well, the Reggae Girls are stepping up their preparation for the World Cup. They face Chile in a friendly international, and that is just about getting on the way. So we'll have the details.
Thank you so much, Jermaine. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what do you think can be done to address the high number of uninsured vehicles on the nation's roads?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. The Primetime News Package returns after this break.